Hey guys, and today we're going to show you some fireworks.
Get ready to see and go boom!
Okay, so we're going to light them in a minute.
It's getting
So,
lighted.
it's getting lighted, hopefully.
And then we're going to walk back and just look here.
Or I'm not going to walk back, guys. As you can see, there's a little light.
Ready? Hey guys.
Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Woo!
Sorry if we're deafening you, but fireworks, loud, boing, bang.
Woo! Batman! So we're gonna get to the North fireworks.
Boom!
So we're just getting some more out of the shed.
Yeah, we will see you.
No, guys, look, just want to show you my homemade hot chocolate with marshmallows. And we got some marshmallows, and we got some Haribo. Gonna take some. Don't worry. What is that? Oh, there's some lights.
There's some lights. And get ready for a big boom. If you need to at home, close your ears. You can. It's some fun.
Stand back.
Is this a loud one?
No.
Come here.
Guys, sorry about this. Just that firework night, guys. Firework.
Come on.
Loud booms, loud bangs, loud cans.
Yeah, I might close my ears if you see me with my ears closed. Sorry about that, I don't really.
As you can see, you've just got like about that. I didn't show your face, I just showed the end about that.
That's why I went like that. That's what, I don't know. Get ready?
On that table there.
Get ready for a big bang!
Woo! 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 Celebrate good times, come on!
Soon, soon, you can do videos with Ron and Brad's stuff.
Yeah, maybe.
So soon, Fatimus One might do some vlogs with his friends. Today, it's just fireworks. Maybe tomorrow we might do a vlog of.
No.
We might do a Q&A.
What's a Q&A? You don't know, do you?
I do.
Put Q&A in the comments, guys. Tell me what it is.
Bang!
Yeah, fireworks. Yeah, fireworks. Woo! Woo! Oh boy!
Archie, do that with me. Again, from video.
Kelsey!
We're doing some videos. We've done loads today. It's probably 9, not sure, don't know what time. We're only 8.
Yeah. Don't blame us, guys. We haven't got much subscribers.
We do have one.
Yay!
Woo!
No, I'll let go. Might do 2 parts, guys, because it is getting long night.
We're gonna stop at 6 minutes.
5 maybe.
Maybe 5, I don't think so 5. We might get 2 more in.
Hang on. It is now 4 minutes and 50, so maybe do it at 6, yeah.
Beautiful! We'll show you one after this and then
Now
shoes on.
Whoa.
Get ready.
For the big boom boom.
One more, and then we're gonna do part 2. Okay?
Yeah, 5 minutes, 18 seconds. So,
One more, and then we're gonna end it a day, and then we're gonna do one
part 2.
part 2. Not like a minute.